If you want to lock apps with Fingerprint on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then what you can do is you can go to Settings, scroll down in Settings, and then over here we can find Apps. In Apps Settings, you can find the app lock, so we can select it over here. And of course, we need to turn on the app lock, but before you do that, we need to set up the password, or actually the type of password. So you can either use the privacy protection password or the screen lock password. Now, most of the time, the most sense is to set up the separate password that will be the privacy protection password. But of course, in that case, you also need to remember the password, because if you forget it, and if you, for example, don't use the Xiaomi account, then you will have to erase all data in order to get access to the app lock again. So let's say we're gonna use the privacy protection password. And in this case, of course, I already have privacy protection password, so we can set it up quite easily. Then we have the suggestions, which apps can be immediately locked, but of course we can uncheck them and then proceed to the app lock settings. And in here, of course, we can choose to lock apps which should be locked. But besides that, you might also see a suggestion that you might want to use the fingerprint for that, for the app lock, of course. So if you want to, you can of course immediately agree, but in case you missed it, and then you can still go to settings over here in the upper right corner of the app lock, and over here we can enable fingerprint on lock. We need to verify ourselves with the fingerprint, and there we go. So now if you try to open any of the locked apps, so in my case it is YouTube, I can just use my fingerprint in order to unlock the access. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.